to find it.
But that's what you wrote. You said here, my lord, that the defendant has now applied for bail. Now, as I've said earlier, bail is a discretion of the court, taking into consideration all the conditions laid down in Muhammad Abacha v. State. At this stage, I am of the opinion that to make or take a stand on the bail application without first hearing and determine the issue that is glaring in the face, which is the absence of the defendant from the court since 25th of April 2017 until he was produced on the 29th of June. My lord, which was exactly what the Supreme Court did. They said that he did not jump bail. These criminals came to my house to kill me. That's what the Supreme Court said. This is in your own ruling, in your own court, my lord. So I cannot understand, my lord, why my trial will be conducted contrary to the Constitution of Nigeria that said I must have free and unfettered access to my counsel. Is here. This is the law of Nigeria. Terrorism Prohibition and Prevention Act says I cannot be tried in Nigeria. That's the law of Nigeria. Yes. I can never be tried in any court of law in Nigeria. That's what the law says. Anybody standing in trial or coming to try me is a terrorist. That's what their law says. Not me. As simple as that. Section 2, subsection 3F of Terrorism Prevention and Prohibition Act. That's what it says. Any court considered to try me is committed an act of terrorism. Yes. Very clear. You cannot violate a treaty that Nigeria entered into and then come to try that very person. Is not done anywhere in the world. So you must be aware of that. So that is why there is all these ridiculous delays. That is what Supreme Court said. I did not jump bail. My home was invaded. They came to kill me and I survived. They came to Kenya to kidnap me, brought me back to this country and seeking to try me, which the law says cannot happen. You cannot violate a treaty that Nigeria entered into and then hope to stand on that illegality to conduct a trial. Is not done anywhere in the world. I'm having in my case. Nobody has, there's no exception. No exception whatsoever. That's what the law says. Section 12 of your constitution, what does it say? Any treaty ratified by Nigeria becomes law. It's law. You cannot change it. It doesn't matter what they do. All these shenanigans is just pure rubbish. You never stand. Not with me. I believe in justice and fairness. That's all.
Nigeria is signed to a standard, not to rendition.
Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the love and the support. So, my beautiful people, today I have a quick one to share with you. Wonders that normally say shall never end. This is the result from ABUJA Mazi Nnamdi Kanu court hearing today. Binta again denies Mazi Nnamdi Kanu bail application, says Mazi Nnamdi Kanu jump bail. That is the outcome of the court hearing today. And if you see, you can see that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is defending himself before the judge. See, today is really a blow. A lot of people were now saying that, oh, why is it that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is not the one speaking? Why is that it's not the lawyer speaking? If you notice, you will see that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have a lot of enemies already. Even within the lawyers, the IPOB member, there's a lot of people that were with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu before. And when there is a problem, you know, everything is going upside down. And some people will even wish that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu should not be released. If you agree with me, you will notice that today that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will be appearing in court. There is no awareness. Nobody is creating awareness about Mazi Nnamdi Kanu being in court today. In fact, it is one of the red flags that people have seen already. The people that say they so much love Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is their leader, blah, 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 blah. Today, they are still the same people mocking Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, saying, why is it that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is speaking for himself? You can imagine that. And now, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu fight for bail. And Binta said, no, they can't grant Mazi Nnamdi Kanu bail. What did she say? She said, Binta, tell the DSS that they should not provide Mazi Nnamdi Kanu with a safe, clean space to allow Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to meet with his lawyer. You know, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has been complaining that he don't have a safe place to meet with the lawyer. He don't communicate with his counsel, that he need a provision. He need them to provide a place for him. He wants house arrest or bail so that he can communicate with his lawyer very well. That is someone that is healthy, that is standing for trial. And what did Binta said? She said the DSS should make sure they look for a clean, safe space for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu so that he will be meeting with his lawyer. Meanwhile, she denied Mazi Nnamdi Kanu bail today. But there is an interesting thing that happened today, that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was able to speak for himself. He was able to stand up for himself. Look at his voice. He roared like a lion that he is. He said he did not jump bail. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu even told them that they are the ones that is the terrorists. You are the one breaking the laws of the country. You have kept me in detention for 3 years, and you can hear before you that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu scream, and he was telling them, these people has kept me for 3 years without nothing. They are the ones that are breaking the rules, the law of the country. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu even told them that you keep fronting the court judgment, yet you speak of rule of law. He was even the one trying to lecture them about the way things should be done, trying to tell them if they should obey their own court order, if they should obey their law. Oh my God, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, please calm down. You can imagine Binta was trying to tell Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, was trying to calm him down, was trying to tell him to calm down, that things are not done like that. He should calm down, he should calm down. What type of calming down did they want Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to calm down? He has kept quiet for so long. Now that he don't have anybody that will speak for him, he should be able to speak for himself. He should be able to stand for himself. Now, Binta is trying to look for a very safe and clean space for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Do you really think that is what Mazi Nnamdi Kanu need right now? Do you really think that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will be so happy to say, oh, now they have given me a clean, a bigger space, a space that nobody record what I'm communicating with my lawyer, a space that nobody knows what we are saying? Now, she said that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu lawyer will be having access to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu 3 times in a week instead of the normal 2 times a week. So do you really think that is a welcoming development, or your mind is for them to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? What is the essence of them going to look for a bigger place for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, a bigger space for him, but he will still be under the DSS? Don't you think that is also the same thing, that there is no freedom for that? Or you think that, okay, if Mazi Nnamdi Kanu remain in a bigger space, everything will be fine? Definitely they will still call for trial for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Remember, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has been there for the past 3 years. He was there since June 2021. Oh my goodness, for 3 years now, nothing has been done, and Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is saying he wants to be free. You can imagine the voice of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu addressing the court today. Oh my goodness, that is when you will know the position of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, what he stands for and what he signifies. So my beautiful family, I say let me just bring this update to you, that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, this is the outcome from the court today. Definitely he was not granted the bail that everyone hoped for today, but I will keep on bringing the update to you back to back as time progresses. Thank you so much, and do well to share this video, like and subscribe. I still remain your one and only Progress the Analyst, as I bring out the update to you back to back. Thank you once again, and bye bye.